Okay, today I'm troubleshooting why my dryer is too hot during the cool down cycle. The first thing I'm doing is unplugging the power. Then I've moved my dryer out and I'm going to remove the ducting. I've also never repaired a dryer before. Now I'm going to remove all the screws on the back panel. They're all 1/4 inch. Even the screws on the inside that I had to remove, they're all 1/4 inch also. Makes it real easy. That's my cat Lexi. Okay, I've got the back panel removed. Now I'm going to remove the power cables for the thermostat there on the side, the little black round thing. And I'm going to remove the power cable from the heating element. The heating element has 2 screws, one on the left and one on the right, and it pulls straight down. I'm going to test it with a multimeter. It should read almost a short circuit tested between the 2 terminals, but between a terminal and the case it should stay OL. Since it didn't, that's showing a short. And you can see that part of the heating element is scorched and cracked. Here's the new heating element, and we'll show you how that tests. Continuity between the 2 terminals, but not between the terminal and the case. There's a close-up view of the scorched and cracked surface on the heating element. Now I'm installing a new thermostat. There's a little pin there that you put the hole in on one side and then clip the other part of that onto the terminal. Let's make sure that snaps into place there. Now we got it in place. Now we're going to put the 2 screws back in. This was the problem I was having with my dryer, but I went ahead and replaced the other thermostat and the high temp cutoff switch. I'll show you those at the end. Okay, that's all in. Now I'm going to connect the power cables back up. Okay, it's showing on the cool down cycle. Now I'm going to test my clothes. They're only just very warm and dry, so it's working. Now this is the cycling thermostat. It attaches in the lower left corner of the dryer in the back. It's on the blower unit housing right next to the main fuse. So I took off the screw, pull it out of the slot. Now I'm just going to take one wire off at a time and put it on the new thermostat. I ordered this kit from Amazon. It had the 3 thermostats and the heating element. So I decided to replace everything. Okay, put it back in the slot. Now I'm going to put the screw in. Now this one's the high temp cutoff switch. It's just above the heating element. I'm going to remove that screw, and then pull off the 2 cables. You see there's a little tip there that goes in the hole at the bottom. Right there, you can see the tip going in the hole at the bottom, and then put the screw in the top. Now putting the cables back on. And that's it. This is the first time I've ever worked on a dryer.